New York Attorney General Letitia James on Thursday announced that the state is seeking to dissolve the National Rifle Association in a lawsuit that accuses the leadership of the flagging nonprofit of diverting millions of dollars for their own personal use. According to the lawsuit, the senior leadership of the NRA squandered millions in donations on personal trips, private jets and expensive meals. The failure to lawfully manage the organization's funds contributed to losses of $64 million over 3 years, the suit says. The suit was filed in New York County in the New York State Supreme Court. At a press conference announcing the suit, James said the NRA was a breeding ground for greed, abuse, and brazen illegality. James is asking the court to dissolve the NRA and require each of the current and former executives named in the suit to pay full restitution. The suit argues that the 4 executives, including CEO Wayne LaPierre, shouldn't be permitted to ever again serve on the board of a New York charity. The NRA's influence has been so powerful that the organization went unchecked for decades while top executives funneled millions into their own pockets, James said. The NRA is fraught with fraud and abuse, which is why, today, we seek to dissolve the NRA, because no organization is above the law. The New York lawsuit involves allegations of civil, not criminal, violations. But James said that the investigation was ongoing and, if we uncover any criminal activity, we will refer it to the Manhattan District Attorney. D.C. Attorney General Karl Racine announced nearly simultaneously on Thursday that the district was suing the NRA Foundation, alleging that the foundation allowed its funds to be diverted from charitable purposes and wasted to prop up the NRA in impermissible ways. NRA President Carolyn Meadows said in a statement that the suit is a baseless, premeditated attack on our organization and the Second Amendment freedoms it fights to defend. You could have set your watch by it. The investigation was going to reach its crescendo as we move into the 2020 election cycle, Meadows said. It's a transparent attempt to score political points and attack the leading voice in opposition to the leftist agenda. The suit continues a long-running battle between the state and the gun rights group, which has been chartered in New York since 1871. James, who is a Democrat, threatened to investigate the NRA's nonprofit status during her campaign for Attorney General and likened the group in 2018 to a terrorist organization. James said on Thursday that the suit was unrelated to her personal views on gun violence, but Meadows countered that it was a power grab by a political opportunist, a desperate move that is part of a rank political vendetta.